Hi, I'm Peter. I'm the hiring manager here at HCL, and we are recruiting for various roles within the medical device domain at the Recruit.ie Manufacturing and Engineering Careers Fair on Thursday, April the 7th. We have the following open positions in Cork. We are currently looking for a quality engineer, a tech transfer engineer, a lean manufacturing engineer, a process validation engineer, a packaging engineer, a supply chain quality engineer, a CMM engineer, a CSV engineer, a validation engineer, and a senior calibration technician. In Limerick, we're currently looking for an R&D engineer and an injection molding engineer. In Dublin, we have the following open positions. We are currently looking for an on-site lead, a software engineer, a manufacturing engineer in quality, and a production operative. In Galway, we are currently looking for a design assurance engineer, process development engineer, and the project management engineer in NPD. At HCL, we empower global enterprises with engineering and R&D services. We have over 200,000 employees globally in 52 different countries, with a turnover exceeding $11 billion annually. We work with the top 10 medical device manufacturers and pharmaceuticals as well in the world. We were also recognized amongst the best employers by Forbes in 2020 and 2021. Register today for free, create your profile, upload your CV, and start applying for a dream job now at HCL. We look forward to meeting you on Thursday, April the 7th.